Dear customer, you are looking for a customer-specific connectivity solution with an individual overmolding design for high volumes, middle-sized quantities, and even for small quantities, and with very low economic costs. Here we have a solution for you. My name is Rudolf Weidenspointner, Head of Product Management for Cable Assemblies and Technologies. And with me in the studio here is Reinhold Hechfellner, Head of Global Tooling, and also Florian Losbichler, Team Leader in the Application Center for our customer requests.
Ladies and gentlemen, we at Udo are specialized on tailor-made solutions. We work together with our customer base to develop new concepts in supporting production. Our approach is to be your central contact not only for connectors, but also for the complete interconnect system, including cable assemblies. Our focus is on design, function and durability of our harnesses. Depending on your application, customer-specific overmoldings of connectors and, for example, feed-throughs can be very important. And here we have some good news for you. Together with our tool shop, we develop different categories of overmolding tools, and we are now able to offer not only tools for our well-known high-volume overmoldings, but also for prototypes and small series quantities. As mentioned, tailor-made for your application. Guys, would you please explain the details?
Sure. Thank you, Florian. Reinhold, can you please introduce a little bit about the different categories?
Yes, of course. First of all, for amounts with under 1,000 parts, we developed the category of the prototype tools. Here is the focus to produce the tool very fast and cost efficient without hardened inserts, without logos or something like that. The next category, especially for small serial tools up to 5,000 pieces. Here we use pre-hardened inserts and something like that. And the third category is especially for high volume parts over 5,000 pieces with inserts, hardened inserts and alignment inserts.
Thank you, Reinhold. How about if the customer needs to have a specific sign or a specific logo on the overmold? Is this something possible?
Yes, it's possible. It's not a problem. We can bring in logos and signs into the inserts.
Okay. How about different colors?
Yeah. Overmoldings, colored overmoldings are not this problem. We work here in standard with white, gray and black, but also other colors are possible.
Another question could be how the direction or the orientation of the overmold, specifically if we have a sign on it, on the mechanical coating is handled inside the tool.
Yeah, we can work here, for examples, with alignment inserts.
So let's show a few samples. First, here we see an AMC overmolded, customized with a 180-degree overmold straight on the cable in black color. A next example is also a very specific overmolding shape with also some signs and arrow on the overmold in blue color. Then a feed-through for a strain relief directly overmolded on the cable, which will be inserted from the customer in the frame of the housing of the device. And last but not least, to be mentioned, also this whole concept is available for our new silicone overmolded system solutions. For example, if the customer requirement is for very high temperatures, or even when we need a very good adhesion from the overmold to the cable jacket. Here we show a short video or a short clip also about the better band relief. So here you see the overmolded cable assembly and the behavior of the overmold from silicone onto the cable. So the question is, in the production, how we do the combination or how we have this set it up for thermoplastic overmoldings and also for silicone overmoldings.
Yeah, Rudi, that's not combinable at the moment because the problem is the PWIS free in the production. This is the problem what we have, and especially the vapors from the silicone process avoid the adhesion of the thermoplast overmolding to the cable and to the housings.
Okay, understood. But I think Odo has also some solution for that kind of problem, right?
Yes. For this, let's take a look to a short video. Here we can see the thermoplastic room with a worker who is currently operating on the machine and removing a component from a mold. Especially for the silicone, we have built separate rooms with a special exhaust. All tools and accessories are also stored separately from the rest of the production. The staff is specially trained and working with gloves is essential.
Finally, the summary of the different categories. We have this small prototyping tool for up to 1,000 pieces, the functional model and small series tool for up to 5,000 pieces, and also the high volume tool for more than 5,000 overmoldings or assemblies.
Last but not least, I'd like to thank you very much for your attention. I'm pretty sure you got some very useful information about our overmoldings. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are looking forward to receiving your requests. Thank you and bye-bye.